Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Moleboheng Mokheseng, also known as Lebu. I am the founder of Wellness Organics, which is a health and wellness shop. I stay in Secunda and I work, my business runs in Secunda and also online. I started my business in 2024. The reason I started my business is because we do not have a lot of health and wellness shops in Secunda. We specialize with organic stuff, natural stuff, herbals, teas, and organic face products. Okay, so we are selling herbal teas, herbal foods, superfoods, supplements, organic stuff. For example, Simo's gel, we have moringa powder, we have moringa capsules, and we also have moringa soap that you can use for your face if you have acne, dark spots, or struggling with eczema. Simo's gel can also help with eczema. We also have soursop leaves that you can drink as a tea. We also have shilajit, which is our best seller at the moment. You can also buy our turmeric soap, which is also one of our best sellers. Our products are available nationwide through courier. The reason you should buy my product is because they are organic, toxic free, and they are good quality products. To get in touch with us, you can visit our website, which is wellnessorganics.co.za. We also have an Instagram page, which is wellness.organics, and our email is wellnessorganics@gmail.com, and you can also WhatsApp us at 066 216 5701. Hi, my name is Lebu and I am a township entrepreneur.